Hello viewers, many users actually want to buy a tablet of Samsung but they don't know which tablet is best for them. Actually no tablet is perfect. Each and every tablet has its pros and cons. So before buying any tablet you must have a budget. After that you have to set your priorities. Considering these points you must wait for the right offers. Because if you don't wait for the right offers, you might have end up paying higher price for a tablet that is not worth it. If you have a budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case the tablet that you can buy from Samsung is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. But the current price of this tablet is very high, so you have to wait for the right offers to come. After that, if your budget is above 25,000 rupees, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Actually Tab S9 FE Plus was sold at a price point of 22 to 25,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale 2024. So you have to wait till Independence Day sale or Big Billion Days sale to get the best discount. After that, if you have a budget of 35,000 rupees, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. In this tablet you will get Samsung AI plus you will get Exynos 1580 processor. But if you ask me, I will suggest you to buy Tab S9 FE because there is a price gap of 10 to 12,000 rupees between these two tablets, so you should better buy Tab S9 FE. Now if you have a higher budget, in that case there are two tablets that you can buy. The first tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. This tablet is selling at a price point of above 50,000 rupees, but during Big Billion Days offer you will get this discount under 40,000 rupees. Also the next tablet that you can buy at a price point of 35,000 to 40,000 price bracket is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. This tablet has been launched in 2025, so you will get more updates than the previous tablets that I have mentioned. Now many users want to know which tablet is better, Tab S10 FE Plus or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Processor wise, Tab S9 is better than Tab S10 FE Plus, but you will not get Samsung AI intelligence along with Tab S9. So in this respect, Tab S10 FE Plus is a better choice. I have mentioned all the tablets along with Samsung S Pen capability. You can do a lot of creativity tasks like writing, making notes, and also creative tasks like drawing, painting, etc. So these are some tablets that you can buy during Independence Day sale or Big Billion Days sale. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy during offers. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.